Hey surf monkeys, I'm here at the Life of Leisure shop. I'm about to go in. We just had some renovations done by our very own Nick Coughlin, and we're gonna go check it out.
We're air gardening. Vlogging.
Wow, look at that. Dude, look at the bar. Wow, look at that. We've got the weight here.
Using all my 120 pounds.
Our 120 pound weight. Some dope stuff hanging up. What's up, Dad?
Oh, what's up, doggy? Got some hanging apparatus.
You just have a mind explosion of on?
Yeah. Dream bubble.
You ready for a big day tomorrow?
Yeah, buddy. Born ready.
Just ready for this shit. Oh yeah.
3 here and then 4 over there.
Too spicy. As if the world has run out of fresh water. So as if, you know, all of our fresh water that we have right now that we hold, so. Bobby.
Drew,
What are you doing?
Good.
Andy.
Andrew.
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Oh, about as good as you look, so pretty good.
Hey, doing all right, eh?
What's good, Mayhe? What's going on here?
Cold crushing.
What's up?
You gave up anything we ever had. Well, if you ever change your mind about leaving this behind, you better bring my lovers come to resent me, cause I'm never home, crying out they thinking about me, waiting by the phone. Part-time, full-time, what time I never had it, part-time, full-time, what time I never had it, part-time, full-time, what time I never had it, part-time, full-time, what time I never had it. Ooh. My friends have come to ignore me, cause I can't seem to have fun, saying they can't remember when I
Start the movie!
I got wasted. I'm trying to get up.
I love all the Beal art here. I'm supposed to document my own event. I want to just go and linger. Yeah, seriously.
But there are some who now wander the wasteland, searching for answers.
Guys, no pictures of the director, please. No pictures of the director.